If you want to become a CPA, you need to learn these concepts to pass the FAR exam. Data is useful when it possesses two fundamental characteristics and additional four enhancing characteristics. The first fundamental characteristic of useful data is relevance, which has three components. The first component of relevance is predictive value. For example, if you have a net annual income of $1 million over 3 years, you can make a reasonably confident estimate for the 4th year. The second component of relevance is confirmatory value. For example, you can verify the net income of the past 3 years by reviewing the previous balance sheet. The third component of the relevance is materiality. For instance, purchasing a $5 candy might not be disclosed, while 1 million transactions certainly would. The second fundamental characteristic of useful data is faithful representation. The first component of this is completeness. For example, when reporting on machinery, it is important to disclose its useful life and depreciation method. The second component of the faithful representation is neutrality. It ensures the data is not influenced by the desire to achieve the particular outcome or by the interests of the specific stakeholders. The third component of the faithful representation is being free from error. For example, this means avoiding typographical errors and ensuring that all data fields are accurately and fully completed. The first enhancing characteristic is comparability or consistency, which means you cannot use FIFO yesterday, LIFO today, and average cost method tomorrow. The second enhancing characteristic is verifiability, which means that you can measure it in different ways and still achieve the same result. The third enhancing characteristic is timeliness. It's available to users early enough to allow them to use it in their decision process. The last enhancing characteristic is understandability. For example, we avoid using Roman numerals in accounting to try to make it as simple as possible.